do you think? I'm not going to show it all. You have to stay tuned and watch the regular video on that one. But the base coat's done. Flawless, man. Flawless. Look at that. Oh, yeah. You know, sometimes life will throw you a lemon. Generally, when it throws a lemon, you better look out because there's a dozen more right behind it. Guys, today's been one of them days. Yeah. I had some issues on the car today. My fault, 100%. I fixed them. I fixed every one of the issues. I take 100% of the blame. You're not going to hear a lot of people say that. And I'm not charging for it. I fixed it. Yeah. What those issues are, you'll have to hang out and watch the video Friday night. Yeah, come join the chat. Let's talk about it. But I got it handled. I had no doubt. It's what I do. I take care of business.